So now we'll see this problem. It is figure number 14, where the two views given adjacent to each other. If we take this as front view, this will be left hand side view because it is first angle projection method. If we take this as front view, this will be right hand side view. So in both cases, this will be on left side, this will be on right side. So let us start with the problem. So draw a line, then at 30 degrees to this, draw a line of 50 mm. Since the length is 50, the height of the base is 15. So height of base is 15. So this is 15. Then the width is 40. So width is given in the left hand side view, that is 40. So 40 at, again this angle is 30 degrees. Again this angle is 30 degrees. So complete this. So you can complete this box 50 by 40. Slightly I will take it larger. This is 40 and this is 50. So it is 50 by 40. So let us start with this problem. This 50 by 40. Then this part is 8 mm, having 8 mm height of 40. So if we look it from this side, so 40 means this is 50. So 5 mm from this side, 5 mm from this side. So this will be 40. So draw a line. You can draw the lines parallel to this from both sides, 5 mm. So this is 5 mm, this is 5 mm. So this is 40 by 40 now. Then this is having height of 8. Every corner is to be moved by 8. So this is having the height by 8. So this is 8. You can rub this. So this is 40 by 40 now. This is 50. This is 40. This is also 40. This is also 40. Now the top of this is 30 by 30 here, and the height is 20. So all this to be all these corners are to be 40 by 20, are to be extended by 20 mm. So this is 40 by 40. We can see this as 40 by 40, but the top is 30 by 30. The top is 30 by 30. So on all sides, 5 mm on this side, 5 mm on this side, 5 mm on this side, and 5 mm on this side. So you can draw lines parallel to this. Draw lines parallel to this. So this is now 30 by 30. So you can join it. You can join this. You can join this. this, there is no line, here there is line. This line is dark. There is no this line. Then there is a slot dovetail here. So 15 from this side and 15 from this side. And the dovetail slot is there, which is having the height of 6. So 6, can draw a line parallel to this. Then 10 from this side, 10 from this side, can make it dark. So can make it dark, can make it dark. So this is what is the solution for this problem, where you can draw a small line parallel to this from this corner. So it will give you the shape of this problem. So this is what is the solution for this one, where you can find this base is 40 by 40, this top is 30 by 30. So all these corners are to be extended by 40 by 40, and then 5 mm from all this side you can draw this rhombus and make it dark. Join that rhombus with these corners, you will get the top 30 by 30. Join. Then there is a dovetail slot here. So this is solution for figure number 14, you can see. Okay, thank you.